Alright guys, we're going to make a water filter today. Okay? Teamwork. We also improvising a little bit. We're going to do the same things that I showed you on the TV. Okay? So instead of using rocks, we're going to use these. Okay, the little balls. I'm going to give you some little cups. Okay? And we're also going to use baking soda. And we're going to use this lovely dirt. Yay! Lovely dirt. Okay. Right, we're also going to use a straw. We're going to try and put the straw. We're going to try and put the straw like this to make a filter. Okay. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take scissors. One of you is going to take scissors. And you're going to cut very slowly. Let's cut 1, 2, 3, maybe here, okay? Because we need the filter to be quite high. Okay? Don't make it like this or you're going to have no place to put the water. Okay? So let's cut it at 1, 2, 3. So you're going to cut it like this.